Welcome to the SEO Optimized Landing Pages video tutorial. My name is Fari. I'm an internet marketer and web developer working in the industry back to 2010. I'm making this playlist in the form of short videos to illustrate how to make an SEO optimized landing page that can be ranked the first page in Google search in a very short time. Taking these steps that we are going to discuss into account and taking them practically into action is going to make a perfect landing page that can be one of the first websites to be ranked in search engines. So let's start and get straight to tip number 1. Rule number 1 is relevancy. A landing page is a goal-oriented page. The goal must be relevant to the visitor. One goal plus one message plus one action equal a landing page. The message could be long. It could be separated into multiple formats or multiple paragraphs. It could be separated to multiple text, photos, and videos, no problem. As long as there is one goal, one message, one action, it's a good landing page. Rule number 2 is consistency. Design, messaging, and tone should be consistent with the expectations your user had at the time they clicked the link or banner, reaching your page. Keep the same mood your visitor had at the time he decided to view your page. Make him attracted to continue exploring what your offer is about. In other words, get rid of anything that can distract your visitor from the very initial impression he had. Rule number 3 is to get straight to the point. To be a straight person does not mean you don't tell what you like in the way you like. It just means that you need to pick very carefully the most important aspect of each element you are going to discuss. If you are going to illustrate your goal in 4 separate paragraphs, for example, 3 pictures, 1 video, then revise your paragraphs to make sure they give your visitors directly what they expect. Rule number 4 is to get an attractive and clean landing page, especially the headline. This sounds logical, but unfortunately it is not done the right way in most landing pages I see. Both words and design play a great role in headlines. If you could combine the best search terms your visitors use in an attractive way and design the headline perfectly, then it is a winning one. Making that one is not easy. It needs a lot of time, a lot of focus and testing. Rule number 5 is segmentation. Not all visitors are the same. Some will care, others won't. Some will convert, others will complain. So, consider dividing your visitors into separate segments by making a unique landing page for each group of visitors. For example, divide them demographically based on age or gender, etc. If you can benefit from the power of programming, you can also try changing your landing page's content automatically based on the location of the visitor. Rule number 6 is to remove excess elements. Believe me, whatever you already did to remove any extra elements that could distract your visitor's attention, there will be additional improvements to be done. So, relax, look again at your page, asking yourself one question. What is the number of elements that make visitors ready to click on them? If the answer is more than 1, repeat the revision until the answer is 1 element only, takes all the focus, and is clickable by the visitors. Number 7 is to no navigations, please. You are not optimizing your website for people who are here to read multiple pages. It is a single page with a single goal, as we previously discussed. As a golden rule, don't add navigations to your page. They will do more harm than good. If there is bad need for multiple pages or navigation, make them in the footer with a small size The colors should not be very shiny. In other words, just another part of the page design. They should be as the same design of your page. Your number 8, important first. The most important information should be visible and easy to be noted and read within the first few paragraphs. Preferably the first paragraph is preferred. If it is hidden with a bad design or buried under 5 long paragraphs, it can be missed by the visitor. If you want to make some introductory paragraphs before writing the most important one, then you can write the most important one first, then repeat it again after the introductory paragraphs. Your number 9, repeating your CTA on link pages. As you already know, CTA is call to action, asking the visitor to take a certain action, as clicking on a link going to another page. This is called an action. The call to action is the text or a picture or even a video that's linking to the action that you want the visitor to take. If you are obligated to produce a long landing page, try to repeat your core message at comfortable intervals throughout. This helps to reinforce your purpose. Note also that different people react to different content. So there may be 2/3 of the way before they believe what you are saying. If there is a button right there, you may find them more likely to convert when this matches their time of emotional connection to your message. Rule number 10, provide extra value in your confirmation or thank you page. If you are asking your visitors for personal data on your landing page, such as an email address for lead capture, for example, take it one step further and give them a bonus on the thank you page. This could be simple, just something useful such as a link to a related content on your site, or it could be an extra free report. Giving something away for free or for an email address is good, but surprising someone and giving them a bonus is usually great. Let's get straight to the next set of tips for creating successful landing pages optimized for search engines. Thank you for watching.